Hi everyone, I'm Jack from the Training Arcade. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a scenarios game and take advantage of its most recent enhancements. We officially launched Scenarios back in September of 2018, and we are still excited about creating a game that puts players into realistic, soft skill simulations with virtual characters and challenges. Scenarios is optimized to make it as much of an immersive experience as possible. It features a high level of customizability to meet the many different functions our subscribers would deploy it for. I'll be sure to explain each of these features, including adjustable themes, question layouts, player history, and meters inside this video, and I'll show you how to build a scenarios game. Whether you're editing your existing game or creating a new one, the Game Builder makes it incredibly easy to create a scenarios game complete with branching logic. Log into the Game Builder, click New Game, and select Scenarios. There are a few settings specific to scenarios which I'll cover in this video. Scenarios has a meter integration. You have the option to enable this meter and have it persistently display at the top left corner of the screen. There are two types of meters available. The standard meter, which is a traditional score bar that fills based on the amount of points the player earns from selecting the correct responses. And the tug-of-war meter, which fills to the right or the left towards a maximum or a minimum value based on the user's choices. This visual information gives users real-time feedback on how they are handling the specific scenario in front of them and alerts them to how they are trending based on their responses. The Scenarios theme has been redesigned with a more modern look. In addition to our standard split theme, we've added a second theme named Overlay, which you can choose from. As each theme title suggests, Split separates the image from the question content, whereas Overlay places the question content on top of the image. You can change the theme at any time and are not locked to a single theme. However, only one theme can be selected at a time because it is applied globally to your scenarios game. Once you've filled out the rest of your game settings, click the Save button. Now click on the Slides tab at the top left of the screen. At the top right of your screen, you'll notice a green button that reads Add Slide. You can select the slide type that best serves your content. All of the traditional assessments are available to you, such as multiple choice, multiple select, or image-matched question types. You even have the option to add a poll or an informational slide. We recommend using the informational slides before or in between your questions. This slide type can be used to provide pertinent information or feedback through an image or video, and it can aid in creating the scenario at hand. In this particular example I'm showing you, if I select an option that is not correct, it leads me to an informational slide where a video plays with the doctor's dissatisfaction clearly visible. Whereas if I answer correctly, it leads me to a different informational slide where another video plays. This time, the doctor shows more interest in what I have to say. Using informational slides are not necessary, but using them in combination with assessment slides for your users to interact with can be powerful in creating a strong scenarios game. Now I'd like to add an assessment slide to give my users a chance to respond to the previous information slide. We recognize that not all images uploaded will be the same, and that one type of question layout is not best suited to display every type of image. So we provided 5 different layouts that provide flexibility for various types of images used or lack thereof. The Training Arcade currently supports left justified, right justified, center justified, full screen, and a modified version of full screen named compressed. Click the layout desired here, and you can change this at any time so you're not locked into just one. In fact, you can adjust this on a per question basis. Like any of our games in the Training Arcade, you'll be able to add your question text here. The answer section is somewhat unique to scenarios. While the method of adding questions and answers doesn't differ, you do have the ability to add specific point values to each of the answers, even negative point values, and the option to set up specific branching paths to the next question or informational slides per answer. Scenarios also includes a branching option in the event your users do not select an option in time. And it has the ability to add feedback for all 3 different types of responses: the correct answer, incorrect answer, and in the event of a timeout. Repeat these steps for each slide, remembering to save along the way until your scenarios game has been built. Launch your game and play through. You'll notice at the top right that there is a history button. At any point during the game, users can click this button to pause the game and review their progress for that session. This tool is invaluable to users because it helps them understand how they've arrived at the present scenario based on the choices that they've made. It can also help inform them of future choices by enabling them to go back in time and review how they've responded to a previous question. If you have any questions about this video or the Training Arcade, please place them in the comments section below. Additionally, if you'd like to schedule a private demo or join one of our upcoming webinars, please click the link in the description below. Once again, I'm Jack from the Training Arcade, and remember to be the hero and bring the fun.